Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to episode 5 of Python for Beginners. And today we're going to be taking a look at functions. Roll my intro. Before we jump into functions, let's do a quick review of what we last learned. For and while loops. A loop is a piece of code that repeats itself until you tell it to stop. A while loop specifically keeps running as long as the conditions are true. If you look at this code right here, we have shopping equals true. That's our condition. Then we have while shopping, which means this loop is going to keep running as long as shopping is true. So our customer walks in, they pick up a comic, and gets asked if they want anything else. If they say yes, the loop starts over again and they can order once more. If they say no, shopping equals false, and that kills the loop and ends the transaction. Now that review's out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at functions. So what is a function? A function is a block of code you write once and you can use it as many times as you want. Let's start off with something simple. We have a function called greet and it takes one argument, which is name. Now line 2 is where we tell it what to do. We have print hello, followed by whatever name we want to use, followed by welcome in. Lines 4, 5, and 6 is where we actually call the function. We call it 3 times with 3 different names, and each time it runs that same block of code with whatever name we gave it. The overall goal of a function is we write it once and we use it as many times as we need. Let's go ahead and run our code, that way you guys understand everything. And when we run the code, each person is being greeted individually. Along with functions, we have arguments. An argument is something you pass into a function so it knows what to work with. I know that sounds a bit confusing, let me break it down for you guys so that you understand. We have our function called introduce, and this time we have 2 arguments that correspond with it, name and job. Line 2 is where the magic happens. It prints my name is blank, and then it prints and I work as a blank. And in lines 4, 5, and 6, we're calling it 3 times and it's giving our names and our job roles. Let's run the code so you guys understand exactly what I mean. We run the code and lo and behold, we have my name is Rob and I work as a IT technician. Then on the next line, we have my name is Dylan and I work as a network engineer. Then we have my name is Mike and I work as a cybersecurity analysis. Functions and arguments, they're pretty simple, straight to the point, they're not rocket science. Let's jump into our comic book store example, that way we can combine everything together and you guys understand everything more clearly. We have multiple functions on screen here. We have welcome, which takes the argument name. We have goodbye that also takes the argument name. And then finally, we have process order, which takes on 2 arguments, name and the actual order itself. Further down, we have welcome and in parentheses, we have name. And that activates right after we give our name. Then just like last episode, our loop runs. But the difference between this week and our previous episode, instead of all that print logic sitting inside the loop, we're just calling our functions. With functions, it just keeps our code organized so it doesn't turn into one giant block of code that's hard to read. Let's go ahead and run our code, that way you guys see everything in action. Just like last week, we're asked for our name, what kind of comic we want, we say we want Thor, we're being told, hey, great choice, I'll have that Thor comic out for you soon. Then we're asked, would you like anything else? We say no, and our comic book employee says thanks for stopping by, we'll see you next time. And that's gonna do it for today, guys. Down in the comments, let me know what's something you want to learn about Python, and I'll do my best to educate you guys on it. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, buy my book, link down below, and like always, thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you on the next one.